Good morning, everyone. Math Grade 3, first term 21-22. We have here Chapter 2, Lesson 3, Commutative Property of Multiplication. Commutative property in addition operation, to remember it, we need to use some examples. In this example, we have 3 plus 5 equals what? If we use our 1/10 frame, it will be like this: 3 in the first row and 5 in the second row. Then it will be the number of all dots, it will be 8. If we use this 5 plus 3, if you commutative these numbers, that's just yes. Reverse the places of these numbers like this and put plus among them. It will be using our 10 frame, 5 in the first row and 3 in the second row. Then count the number of all these dots, it will be 8 also. Then 3 plus 5 equals 8 and 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then 3 plus 5 equals 5 plus 3. Suppose numbers has the same results, and it's called commutative property in addition operation because we have here plus sign. Now let's go to deduce commutative property in multiplication operation. It's the same, but we replace the plus sign by sign. Like this, if we use this example, 2 by 5 equals what? Using our array, it will be like this. We have here 2 rows, each row has 5 dots. We have 2 rows, each row has 5 dots as we draw here. Then, if we count the number of all dots here, it will be 10. Then 2 by 5 equals 10. If we have here 5 by 2, it means that we have 5 rows, each row has 2 circles. Then we will draw our array, 5 rows, each row has 2 circles as you see here. Then count the number of all dots here, it will be 10. What did you notice here? Yes, good job. We have here a reverse. We just reverse this array to make it, yes, instead of horizontal array, it will be vertical array with the same number of elements in it. Okay, now then 2 by 5 equals 5 by 2. Both of them equals 10. Then we have commutative property in multiplication equation. Now let's go to use our arrays to solve. Then write what did you notice here. First one here we have 2 by 3. To draw 2 by 3 in this array, it means that 2 rows, each row has 3 circles or 3 shaded parts. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have here 3, 6. Then the number of elements here is 6. Here we have 3 by 2. It means that we have 3 rows, each row has 2 shaded parts. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or count by 2 to be right. 2, 4, 6. It will be 6. Then 2 by 3 more than or less than or equal to 3 by 2. What did you notice here? Yes, they both are equal in products. We have here this array, just in horizontal position, we just inverse it to make it in vertical position. Has the same number of elements. Now this property is called what? Repeat after me. Commutative property. Commutative property. Good job. Next one here we have 3 by 5. 3 rows, each row has 5 elements or 5 shaded parts, like this. 5, 10, 15. Then the number of all elements is 15. Here we have 5 by 3. It means that 5 rows, each row has 3 elements, like this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. If you notice here that we just, yes, this is in a horizontal position and this is vertical position, just inverse it, okay? Has the same number of elements. Then 3 by 5 more than or less than or equal to 5 by 3. Good job, equal. Now this property is called what? Good job, commutative property. And write down it here, commutative property. Let's go to another exercise. Use commutative property to complete the missing sides here. Here we have in the first one 3 by 4 equals 4 by what? We have equal here. Then we need to balance this equation. Here we have 3 by 4. We have in the other side 4 only. Then the missing part is 3. Good job. Here we have 5 by 2 equals 2 by what? We have a missing part here and we have equal sign here. It means that we have, yes, we want to have balance in this equation. Then 5 by 2 equals 2. We have 2 here and 2 here. Then the missing part will be 5. Then we have 6 by 3 equals what by 6? We have equal, then we need balance. Then 6 is 6 in the other side. Then the missing part will be 3. 3 by 8 equals what by 3? We need balance here. Then 3 is 3 and 8 is the missing part. Good job. 1 by what equal 2 by 1? If we listen here, 1 is, yes, is found there in the other side and we have balance here. Then the missing part is 2. Here we have 8 by what equal 5 by 8. We have balance here, we have equal and 8 in the both of these sides. Then the missing part is 5. What by 6 equals 6 by 10. We have balance here and we have 6 in both of these sides. Then the missing part is 10. Then we have missing part and by 3 equals 3 by 5. We have 3 in the both sides and we have equal part here. Then we have 5 is the missing part. Here we have 5 by 9 equals what by what? From our commutative property, 5 by 9 is the same 9 by 5. Here we have what by what equal 1 by 6. From our commutative property, 1 by 6 is 6 by 1. Good job. You are adorable. Bye.